Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop any app from listening in on iPhone. So most of us don't realize when we install an app, a lot of apps actually ask you to use your microphone to get access to your microphone, which allows them to listen in on your conversation if they really wanted to. But luckily in the settings option, there is a way to turn that off. So first of all, just go to your settings, and if you scroll down under the settings option, you should see the privacy option. Tap on this privacy and security, and here right in the middle of the page you should see the option for microphone. You have to tap on it, and then in this page you will see all the different apps that have access to your microphone. So as you could see, I have already turned it off. So if you want to turn this off, just toggle this off for any app you want to turn off, and that's how you can stop any app from listening in on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.